Assalamu alaikum, me Dr. Ahmad Mushtaq lecture on quantum artificial intelligence. I written this in a simple way, students friendly and story based style so that any learner from school to college level can understand it easily. Now the topic of my lecture is quantum artificial intelligence, the next revolution beyond artificial intelligence. The next step after artificial intelligence. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to explore something truly mind blowing, quantum artificial intelligence or quantum AI. Now, all of you have heard of artificial intelligence, right? AI is when computers can think, learn, and decide like humans. It helps in chatbots, self driving cars, healthcare, and finance. Almost everything, almost everything but scientists realized something even the best artificial intelligence system today face limits. They take a lot of time and energy to process huge data. They can't solve some problems that are simply too complex for normal computers. For normal computers, my dear. So, what if we could build a new kind of computer? New kind of computer, one that could think millions of times faster, analyzing data that normal computers can't even imagine. वो नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर के वहम गुमान में नहीं था. That is where quantum computing comes in. And when we combine quantum computing plus artificial intelligence, we get quantum artificial intelligence, the next generation of intelligence as compared to simple artificial intelligence. This is a modified version of artificial intelligence. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing, पहले मैं ये समझाता हूँ ये क्या है. Before we understand quantum artificial intelligence, let us understand the base quantum computing. What is this? My dear, our normal computers like your laptop or phones work on bits. Each bit can be either a 0 or 1, like a switch on or off. But, my dear, quantum computers use something called qubits. They use qubits, quantum bits. Here is the magic. A qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. That not happens in normal computer. This strong ability is called superposition. Superposition, it comes from quantum physics, the science of every tiny particles like atoms and electrons. And there is another amazing concept called entanglement, where two qubits can be connected in such a way that changing one instantly changes the other, even if they are far apart. Far apart, my dear. So, unlike normal computers that test one solution at a time, quantum computers can test millions of solutions at once. At once. That means they can solve problems in seconds that would take normal computers thousands of years. Thousands of years for a normal computers. सोचो कितनी फर्क है. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर के बदले एक सेकंड लगता है. नंबर 3, व्हाट इज क्वांटम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? ये क्या है, क्या बला है? नाउ लेट अस ब्रिंग AI into the picture. Let us bring AI into the picture. Artificial intelligence learn from data, but sometimes there is too much data or too complex data for normal computers to handle. My dear, when we use quantum computers to train artificial intelligence models, we get quantum AI, quantum in artificial intelligence, AI that learns, analyzes, and decides much faster and more accurately than normal artificial intelligence. So, in simple terms, quantum AI is equal to artificial intelligence powered by quantum computing. It is like giving artificial intelligence a super brain, not a simple but super brain that can think in many directions at once. एक इंसान एक ही डायरेक्शन के मुतालिक समझता है लेकिन ये मल्टीपल डायरेक्शंस में. Examples how quantum AI works. That's very important to understand. Let us imagine a simple example. Suppose you are an investor trying to choose the best company to invest in. You have thousands of data points: company performance, stock price, world economy, climate impact, and more in your mind. That is your data. A normal AI might take hours or even days to go through all this data. But quantum artificial intelligence can pursue all possibilities simultaneously, finding the best investment strategy in seconds. सोचो फाइनेंस में कितना पावर रखता है ये. That is like comparing a bicycle normal AI to a jet plane quantum AI. एक नॉर्मल बाइसिकल को एरोप्लेन, कितनी डिफरेंस है बाइसिकल और एरोप्लेन में, ये आप खुद समझ सकते हो. डिफरेंस बिटवीन एआई एंड क्वांटम एआई, ये बड़ा अंडरस्टैंड है आप लोगों को समझाने के लिए. लेट अस क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस features artificial intelligence AI. Quantum artificial intelligence based works on classical computers, bits that works on bits 0 and 1. Works on quantum computers, qubit 0, 1 or both, that use both. Speed fast but limited ultra fast and multi-dimensional data handling, linear, one task at a time, parallel, multiple possibilities at once, accuracy good but depends on data quality extremely high, can analyze uncertainty. Example ChatGTP, Siri, self-driving cars, quantum investment, prediction, drug design, optimization in logistics. So now we quantum AI, quantum artificial intelligence. Isn't just a faster AI, it is a smarter and deeper AI that understands complex realities better. Role of quantum AI in finance, that is very important topic now, a burning issue nowadays. Business investment, what's the role of quantum artificial intelligence? Now this is where things get really exciting. Risk analysis and prediction. Number A. In the financial world, everything is uncertain. Stock price, interest rates, currency exchange, and even global events. Quantum AI can simulate millions of economic scenarios at once. It can tell investors if oil prices rise by 5%, what will happen to airline stocks? If global inflation increases, which markets will fall first? This kind of predictive power helps investors reduce risk and increase profits. This is the power of quantum artificial intelligence. Number B, portfolio optimization. Normally, investors try to build the best portfolio balancing risk and return. There might be billions of combinations, my dear. Impossible for a normal computer to test. Quantum AI can test all possible combinations simultaneously and instantly tell the investor the optimal mix of stocks bonds or crypto or cryptocurrency. For example, Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan are already testing quantum algorithms to improve portfolio management. Portfolio management. Number C, fraud detection. That's important to understand. Quantum AI can detect tiny unusual patterns in huge amounts of transactions data. It can identify fraudulent activity faster than any human or classical artificial intelligence. Number D, market forecasting. Quantum AI can combine global news, social media, sentiment, economic data, and real time trading to make predictions with incredible accuracy. Imagine getting stock predictions that adjust instantly when world events change. That is the dream of every investor. Number E, business strategy. Beyond finance, quantum AI can help companies optimize supply chains, predict customers' behavior, design smarter marketing campaigns, and even create energy efficient operations. It's like having an intelligent advisor who can see all possible futures and choose the best one. All futures and choose the best one. How much it is important in coming world. Number 7, real world examples of quantum AI. Let us look at a few examples like Google Quantum AI Lab. Google built a quantum computer called Syn- Syn- Syncon More that performed a calculation in 200 seconds, which would take a supercomputer 10,000 years. IBM is building cloud-based quantum system for AI research. Volkswagen uses quantum AI for traffic flow optimization. Fidelity and Goldman Sachs testing quantum AI for investment and risk analysis. Pharmaceutical companies using quantum AI to discover new drugs faster. So, this is not science, my dear. This is not science fiction. It is already happening. It is already happening. सो इसमें हमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. ये हमारी रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में हो रहा है. कुछ चीज़ें स्टार्ट हो गई है. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट challenges and limitations. However, we must also be realistic. Quantum AI is still in the early stages of development. Quantum computers are expensive and requires low temperatures to operate. There is a there are technical challenges like qubit stability and noise. But like every new technology, from the first airplane to the first smartphone, these challenges will be solved step by step. Can be solved step by step. Now I will talk about the quantum AI future. The future of quantum artificial intelligence by 2050. By 2050, quantum artificial intelligence might completely transform how the world works. Banking, instant financial decisions, and fraud free systems, healthcare, personalized treatment based on real time data, agriculture, perfect prediction of crop yield and climate patterns, energy, smart grids, predicting and distributing power efficiently, global business companies making decisions with near perfect fore- foresight. Imagine a world where government scientists and businessmen use quantum AI to end poverty, reduce waste, and create balance between human and nature. That's very important. That is not just a dream, it is a possible future. That's not a dream, it is a possible future. My dear, now I talk about conclusion. Quantum artificial intelligence, power with purpose. Power with purpose. So, my dear students, friends, and my listeners, subscribers, non subscribers, and future innovators, quantum AI is not just a technology, it is a revolution in thinking. It teaches us that even in the smallest particles of the universe, there lies infinite intelligence. But remember, my dear, the power, the power of technology depends on the purpose of the person using it. If we use quantum artificial intelligence with wisdom and ethics, it can solve the world's biggest problems from hunger to climate change. From hunger to climate change. But if used without values, it can become very, very dangerous for humanity. So the future belongs to those who combine intelligence with humanity. Who combine intelligence with humanity. Let us not just build smart machines, let us build a smarter world. Let us build a smarter world, one where technology serves people, not replace them. Serves people, not replace them. Thank you. I hope so that you like, share, and subscribe my channel and share this topic as much as possible. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.